Good morning. Today we are going to study about the automobile market in India and its major manufacturers. Let us see. First of all, we are going to see some interesting facts about automobile sector. Automobile sector begins as early as 1769. An automobile sector plays a key role in the development of any country economy. It is expected to contribute about 4% in Indian GDP. This is the history about automobile sector in India. The first car ran on India road in 1897. Until the 1930s, the cars were imported directly from other country. The first person to own a car in India is Mr. Foster of MS Crompton Geyser Company, Mumbai. 1901 first Indian to own a car in India was Jamshedji Tata. And in 1905, first woman to drive a car in India was Mrs. Sujanji Tata. And this is the fact about automobile sector. India automobile sector is the ninth largest sector of the world, and among the two-wheeler market, India is the second biggest largest of two-wheeler manufacturer, and India is the fourth largest heavy trucks producer, and it is the second largest tractor manufacturer. Now let us see. As we know that in India, automobile sector is basically classified into four category. First one is the two-wheeler, second one is the three-wheeler, and the third one is the passenger vehicle, and the fourth one is the commercial vehicle. Let us see one by one. Two-wheeler. In two-wheeler category, such vehicle comes which is having two vehicle, as we have already seen. Amongst the two-wheeler manufacturer, Hero Honda is the leading manufacturer in India market with a share of 50%. And among the three-wheeler category, Mahindra and Mahindra is the leading manufacturer. And among the passenger vehicle, Maruti is the leading producer in India market with a share of 52%. And in commercial vehicle, Tata Motors is the leading manufacturer in India market. Let us see the contribution of each sector of automobile sector, and in pie graph, two-wheeler is the leading sector contribution in automobile sector with a share of approximately 76.5 approx, and passenger vehicle is share is 15.96, and commercial vehicle share is 3.95, and three-wheeler share is 3.6 approximately. This all data is of year 2016. Automobile sector plays an important role in the GDP of Indian economy. It contributes about 4%. approximately, and India is the fourth largest exporter of automobile behind Japan, South Korea, and Thailand. India is the fourth largest producer. Now we are going to see some strength of the automobile sector and its weakness. Let us see. Automobile sector is the largest domestic market in Indian market. Sustainable labor cost advantage. Here labor cost is very low. Government is also providing incentive for the manufacturing plant establishment. Skill labor is also available here. Some weakness of the automobile sector in India is low labor productivity. Here skill labor are not so much efficient, highly interest cost and high overhead, low investment in research and development in Indian automobile industry. Future prospect of Indian automobile sector. It is expected that 2015 every 6 car in the world will be from India. That means that every 6 car there will be one car from the Indian manufacturer company. One interesting fact is that how automobile sector is benefit for the development of Indian economy. It is said that for every 1 rupees spent, the auto sector returns rupees 2.24 to the Indian economy. This proves that automobile sector is very profitable sector. Now we are going to see some automobile job description and educational requirement for automobile jobs. Let us see. Automobile job sector provides to such type of people which is having innovative ideas and to design a new idea for the models, to build up the prototype for a new models, build up the actual model with more efficient. These are the certain job description, and the educational requirement for the automobile job sector are bachelor degree, diploma, postgraduate, master, MBA. These are the job requirement. This means that automobile sector is also efficient in providing jobs to the Indian people. Now we are going to see some leading manufacturer of Indian company which plays a key roles. Here are Maruti, Tata, Hyundai, Honda, Fords, etc. Let us see one by one. Now we are going to see the Tata Motors, which is among the one of the leading producer of automobile sector manufacturer. Let us see. Or Tata Motors Limited is a multinational corporation whose headquarters is in Mumbai. It is run by Tata Groups. It was established in 1945. Tata Motors Limited is the fourth largest truck manufacturer and the second largest bus manufacturer in India. This is the facts about the Tata Motors company. It is a private sector company, and Tata Motors is having a credit of producing the cheapest car in the world, as we already know, which is called Tata Nano car. Now the next company is the Maruti Udyog Limited. It is a public limited company which is in which is also known as Maruti Suzuki India Limited. It was established in December 1983. It was set up for producing a revolution in Indian car industry. Maruti Udyog Limited has the milestone of becoming the first Indian company in March 1994 by manufacturing totality of 1 billion vehicle. That means it is also among one of the leading producer. Next one is the Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra is a private sector company. It is owned by two brothers, Mr. J. C. Mahindra and Mr. K. C. Mahindra. Was established on 2nd October 1945, and it is converted into public limited company in 1955. That means it was started as a private sector, but it was converted into public limited company in 1955. Major player in utility vehicle segment and tractor segment. It is the leading producer of tractors. It is among one of the 5 tractor manufacturing company in the world. Next company is the Hero Honda. It is the leading producer of the two vehicle. It is having owned by two company, Hero Cycle and Honda Motors. Honda Motors is the Japan company which holds 26% of share. It was incorporated in January 1984. It is the leading two-wheeler producer in India market with a share of 55% of domestic market. Its head office is Gurgaon. Now the next company is the Hyundai Motors Limited. The company was founded in the year 1998, and it is the second largest car manufacturing company in India. It was established subsidiary with the partnership of Korean company Hyundai Motors Company. It is a leading producer of passenger vehicle with a share of 14.15% approximately. Next manufacturing company is the Bajaj Auto. As we already know that after the Hero Honda company, Bajaj Auto is the second largest automobile manufacturing company in India, and it is the fourth largest in the world. Bajaj Auto is owned by the Bajaj groups. It was started by Jamla Lal Bajaj in 1930s. It is having a two-wheeler share of 26.7% in Indian market and a share of three-wheeler about 58.6% in Indian market. This means that after Hero Honda, it is the second producer. Thank you. That's all. In the next lecture, we are going to see some more facts about the automobile.